Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing and first impression video. As you all know, I like to try watches, and that's why I like to buy a lot of them on websites that I can return them. And on Amazon, there is this wardrobe function where you can buy a watch right for 1 week and then send it back without any costs. And that's what I'm doing here. So if you're wondering, why do I have a lot of unboxings? I'm not having a sponsored or anything. I'm just using the website's full capacity. And yeah, here we go. Here we can see this Citizen Eco-Drive field watch. So we have the box, the usual carton Citizen box. You can put it on the side, and then we can look at the watch, which has a nice dial. It saw the light, so it ticked. You have here the 12-hour and the 24-hour both on the dial. You have a black dial. This ring around is this ring with the pips, or is the one with Eco-Drive. It has the J810 Eco-Drive module from Citizen. So this watch is 42.5 in diameter, 49.5 lug to lug, and 12.0 or 12.25 thickness. By the way, I'm wearing the Seiko, and this basically is the Eco-Drive competitor of the Seiko 5. As you can see, they're very similar in design and in looks. So let's take this off. So the reference number of this watch is AW-5000-24E. This is the case back, 10 bars, so 100 meters water resistance, which is quite nice. No screw down crown, so pull push crown. So like I said, this is 42.5 millimeters in diameter, 49.5 lug to lug, which is in my perfect range. The strap is canvas strap with synthetic leather on the back side, which gives it a nice, comfortable fit. It's just a little bit stiff, the strap, as you can see here on my 17 centimeter wrist, how it looks. Sign buckle, looks quite nice. 88 grams in total with the strap. The price is 123 euros on Amazon at the moment. It actually looks quite cool, right? I have to say, I really like it. I really like also these orange hand. You have here the 4 lume pips, 12, 3, 6, and 9, and they have lume on the hands. Just the strap is quite stiff. I think without the strap it has a 20 millimeters lug width, so it's easy to find, or I think it's 21, it's not 20. Let's check it out. I always say it's 20, but it's 21 always with these Citizens. Actually, it is 20. Wow, it's actually this time it's 20. So this time it's 20 millimeters, this Citizen. So I like the watch, but it's so thick. It's so thick. It wears quite good, but it's really thick. It's just a quartz movement. I think it's because this domed look inside. So it has a mineral glass, mineral crystal, but there's a lot of space inside, I guess, a couple of millimeters, at least the thickness of the outer bezel, and you can see the brushed vertical brush, or sorry, horizontal brush, and then here horizontal brush with polished bezel chamfers. very smooth, the hands. And you can see the date on the 3 o'clock date window, the Eco-Drive, and you can see the text on the 6 o'clock. So I think that might be my favorite from the last couple of Citizen I unboxed, and the most one I might keep, to be honest, because it looks quite cool, feels nice. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you have questions about this watch or any other watch, please leave them in the comments below. Also, this is an invitation to like and subscribe. And by the way, Citizen doing great job with their straps in comparison to Seiko, which make horrible straps at the moment, with one or two exceptions. So thanks again for watching. Hopefully see you in the next video. Bye bye, everyone.